Ever wondered what truly drives satisfaction, whether it's in a job or with a customer? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Now, most people will tell you that satisfaction is a byproduct of a job well done or a product well received. It's that pat on the back after a long day's work, or that satisfied smile from a customer after a successful transaction. It's a sense of achievement, the feeling that you've done something right, something worthwhile. But here's the thing, satisfaction isn't just a result, an end product of our efforts. It's not even a static state that we can achieve and then maintain effortlessly. No, satisfaction is a dynamic process, a journey rather than a destination. It's a cycle that requires constant effort, constant action. Think about it. In the world of work, job satisfaction isn't just about doing a task well once. It's about consistently delivering high-quality work, about constantly striving to improve, to learn, to grow. It's about taking action every single day to ensure that you're not just doing your job, but doing it well, doing it with passion and dedication. Similarly, when it comes to customers, satisfaction isn't just about providing a good product or service once. It's about continually meeting and exceeding customer expectations. It's about constantly taking action to ensure that customers are not just content, but delighted with what you have to offer. So yes, satisfaction does come from a job well done or a product well received. But it also comes from the actions we take, the effort we put in to ensure that we're always delivering our best, always striving to do better, to be better. But satisfaction isn't as simple as it seems, is it? Let's dive deeper. Job satisfaction, a phrase that's tossed around a lot. But what does it really mean? When we delve into the anatomy of job satisfaction, we find that it's composed of several core components, each a vital part of the whole. Let's start with the work itself. This is the heart of job satisfaction. It's about finding meaning and fulfillment in what you do every day. It's about feeling that the tasks you complete and the projects you undertake matter, that they contribute to something bigger. When you actively engage with your work, when you pour your skills and passion into it, that's when you find satisfaction. Next up is the work environment. This forms the framework within which your job satisfaction grows. A positive, supportive, and stimulating environment can nurture your satisfaction, while a negative one can stifle it. By actively contributing to a healthy workplace culture, by fostering open communication and mutual respect, you can help cultivate an environment that breeds satisfaction. Then we have relationships with colleagues. These are the veins and arteries of job satisfaction, bringing vitality and dynamism to your work life. Positive, healthy relationships with your coworkers can make your job more enjoyable, more satisfying. And it's not just about being friendly, it's about actively seeking to understand and support each other, about building a team where everyone feels valued. Finally, there's career progression. This is the forward momentum of job satisfaction. It's about seeing a clear path ahead, about knowing that there are opportunities for growth and advancement. Active participation in your own career development, taking on new challenges, seeking out new learning opportunities, can fuel this sense of progression and, in turn, your job satisfaction. So, when we talk about job satisfaction, we're really talking about these four components. We're talking about active engagement, about taking actions that foster a sense of fulfillment, a positive environment, strong relationships, and forward momentum. We're talking about taking sufficient amount of actions to achieve that satisfaction. Job satisfaction, then, isn't just about the job. It's about the actions you take within it. Now let's switch gears a bit. What about customer satisfaction? When we talk about customer satisfaction, it's easy to assume that it's all about the product, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole ocean of factors beneath the surface that contribute to a customer's overall satisfaction. Let's start with the most obvious one, product quality. The quality of your product is like the backbone of customer satisfaction. A high-quality product meets the customer's needs and expectations. It works as promised, and it's reliable. But product quality alone isn't enough. You can have the best product in the world, but if the customer service is lacking, your customers won't be satisfied. This brings us to our second factor, customer service. You see, customers don't just buy a product, they buy an experience. They want to feel valued and respected. They want their concerns addressed promptly and their problems solved effectively. They want to interact with friendly, knowledgeable staff who go the extra mile to ensure they're happy. This ongoing effort to provide excellent customer service is what turns a one-time customer into a loyal, repeat customer. Finally, we have brand reputation. This is the perception that customers have of your brand based on their experiences, the experiences of others, and the information available to them. A positive brand reputation can influence a customer's decision to choose your product over a competitor's. It can also make them more forgiving when things go wrong. Therefore, maintaining and improving your brand reputation requires continuous effort. So you see, customer satisfaction isn't just about the product. It's a dynamic process that involves an ongoing effort to maintain and improve product quality, customer service, and brand reputation. It's about the actions taken to ensure a positive customer experience. The key takeaway here is that customer satisfaction, like job satisfaction, requires action. It requires continuous effort, not just in creating a great product, but in delivering a great experience. So, customer satisfaction isn't just about the product. It's about the actions taken to ensure a positive customer experience. Job satisfaction, customer satisfaction, two different concepts, but with a common thread. Let's unravel this thread, shall we? At first glance, job satisfaction and customer satisfaction may seem like distinct entities. Job satisfaction, the contentment one feels in their professional life, versus customer satisfaction, the fulfillment a client experiences from a product or service. But let's delve deeper, and you'll find they're more intertwined than you might think. Consider job satisfaction. It's not merely about landing your dream job or achieving that coveted promotion. It's about the continuous actions, the daily grind, the persistent efforts to meet goals and exceed expectations. It's about the sense of achievement derived from overcoming challenges, the growth experienced through learning, and the fulfillment attained from contributing to a greater purpose. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Now let's turn our attention to customer satisfaction. Similarly, it's not just about the end product or service. It's about the entire customer journey, from the first point of contact to the after-sales service. It's about how a business continuously strives to meet and exceed customer expectations, how it handles setbacks, and how it learns and grows from feedback. It's about the ongoing commitment to deliver value and build meaningful relationships. In both scenarios, satisfaction isn't a one-time event. It's not something that's achieved and then forgotten. It's a constant process, a continuous cycle of action and reaction, effort and result, challenge and growth. It's about the effort put in every day, the commitment to continuous improvement, and the resilience in the face of adversity. So you see, job satisfaction and customer satisfaction, while different in their contexts, share this common thread of continuous action. They're both about the journey, the process, the commitment to continuous effort and improvement. They're both about not just achieving satisfaction, but maintaining it. The key to satisfaction then lies not in the outcome, but in the actions leading to it. So, how can we put this understanding of satisfaction into action? Let's start with job satisfaction. One of the most effective ways to enhance it is by seeking feedback. Constructive critique can help you identify areas for improvement and give you the opportunity to grow. It's about being proactive, about asking for feedback instead of waiting for it to be given. Next, consider setting tangible, achievable goals. Having clear objectives gives you a sense of direction and purpose. It's like having a roadmap for your career, guiding you towards the satisfaction of accomplishing your aims. And remember, goals are not set in stone. They can and should evolve as you do. And let's not forget the importance of fostering positive relationships. A supportive and encouraging work environment can significantly boost your job satisfaction. It's about cultivating a culture of respect, empathy, and teamwork. After all, we spend a significant part of our lives at work, so why not make it a place of positivity and mutual support? Now let's switch gears and talk about customer satisfaction. Prioritizing customer service is key. It's about treating your customers with respect, understanding their needs, and going the extra mile to meet them. Remember, a satisfied customer is a loyal customer. Maintaining product quality is another crucial aspect. Ensuring that your product or service consistently meets or exceeds expectations can significantly enhance customer satisfaction. It's about delivering on your promises and standing behind your product or service. Actively seeking customer feedback is another important strategy. It's a way to gauge customer satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. Just like with job satisfaction, seeking feedback is about being proactive. It's about showing your customers that you value their opinions and are committed to improving their experience. Remember, whether it's job satisfaction or customer satisfaction, it's the sufficient amount of actions that leads to satisfaction. So keep taking action and keep striving for satisfaction.